Hi, I'm Dr. Christie, and I'm here to tell you about neurology at Scottish Rite for children. The patients who come here have to have an orthopedic need, and that goes back to the founding of our hospital. We used to see patients who had polio, so a neurologic condition that then led to orthopedic needs. So this is still what we try to maintain here. So you may come to the hospital for an orthopedic need, and as your orthopedist is assessing you, they may say, I think the origin of this is actually neurologic, and they'll then send you to us to work up what that may be. We really see a variety of different disorders that affect the brain or the spine or muscles or nerves. And so some of these may be common things that you've heard of, such as migraine, and we treat a lot of patients who have migraine. We also see a lot of patients who have very rare genetic disorders. Probably our most common condition is cerebral palsy. And we have an expert team that's ready to care for children who have that. Dr. Wimberly sees a lot of patients who have cerebral palsy. He's our orthopedist. Dr. Sparagana and I both see these patients to work them up and really personalize what caused the cerebral palsy, where was that brain injury located. And then as far as treatment and getting them back to their real functional goal, that's where we have Dr. Reyes, and she's our physical medicine and rehab doctor. And she really takes it to the next level to make sure that these wonderful kids can keep progressing and keep meeting their development.
You got it.
The wonderful thing is that we're able to get patients everything they need kind of right here. We have all the physical therapists, occupational therapists. We have an amazing orthotics department that can get children any bracing or anything that they need. And I really think it's just this multidisciplinary team that really makes it a special process. Kids who see neurologists, they have special needs, and they still just bring so much light to the world, and it just makes me so grateful. It makes me so appreciative of every moment and every smile, because sometimes we don't know what the world's gonna throw at us, and they just still have so much light and so much joy. And sometimes they just do things that medically we don't think they should be able to do, and that's really when I find just the excitement in it. You can't predict what they're gonna do, and it's amazing. Every child and every experience here is special to us, and we really try to go about and think of it and tailor treatments to each child. And it's a global approach. Another department we didn't highlight is our psychology department and how much they pull into making sure we're taking care of the entire child. So I think that's the main thing. You're not just gonna come here for orthopedic care or neurologic care or rheumatology. We're gonna take care of your whole child as if it's our child too.